welcome everybody. We'll get started here in just a minute. We do have a few teams available. If anybody's interested, Raiders, Rams, Seahawks, and Washington are all available for this Chronicles break. $5 each, or take all four for $15. Also, feel free to shoot out any offers if you are interested in the teams. You want to make an offer, please do. And then the absolute break, which we have coming up next at 11:45 Eastern Time. We have 10 teams available for that one, $5 each, or take all 10 for $40. The absolute break is one Cello box of absolute. So 12 total Cello packs for that one. And it is 2021 football. Packers for 3 in the absolute. Yeah, that's fine. We can do that. Here, I'll post my PayPal and Venmo. The absolute is 2021. It's the newest one. Sorry, I said Venmo, but Cash App. So there's my PayPal, and there's my Cash App. Feel free to send that over. And Caden, are you in one of these breaks? I just want to make sure, because if you're in there, it's free shipping. If you're not in the break, it would just be an additional $4 to ship. So let me know about that. If you guys are just joining us, okay, you're not in the break. All right, well, let me know if you still want them and you want to pay the shipping. It would just be $4 to ship. So let me know. Yep, $7 total. If you're just joining us, looks like a bunch of people just jumped on. We have teams available: Raiders, Rams, Seahawks, Washington. All available for the Chronicles break, which is now. And then we have 9 teams left for absolute. Caden just took the Packers, but all other teams are still available for the absolute break, which is next. It is one Cello box of 2021 absolute football that will be at 11:45 Eastern Time. And Caden, whenever you do send, if you just want to shoot me your shipping address, I'll put you down for the Packers. Packers and Cardinals. Yep, we can do that. All right, anybody else want to get in on this before I take this down and start breaking? Cool. Thanks, Caden. Appreciate it. All right, guys, got 10:50, 5 minutes in now. We'll go ahead and end it there. If you want to jump in now, let me know. But I'm going to take these lists down, and we're going to go ahead and get started here. All right, guys, we got 2 Chronicles Cello boxes. 24 total packs, 15 cards per pack. Good luck, everybody. Feel free to jump in on chat. Let me know who's here and who you got. All right, first pack, Debo, Nico Collins, Traquan Smith, Jamar Chase, DJ Moore, Keenan Allen, CeeDee Lamb, Kirk Cousins, Eli Mitchell, Kadarius Toney, Asante Samuel Jr., Michael Carter. We got Pinnacle, Dak Prescott, Justin Jefferson, and Patrick Surtain, Playoff Momentum. Fields, Najee, and Mills. Here we go, Amber. Kyle. Looks like we got Flux in the back here. Marshawn Lattimore. There's Justin Fields. Michael Pittman. Derrick Henry. Taylor Heineke. Adam Thielen. Dawson Knox. TJ Hawkinson. Terrace Marshall Jr. Kadarius Toney. Pat Freiermuth. Joe Mixon. Pinnacle, Devontae Adams. Dante Culpepper. And our flux is going to be Kadarius Toney for the Giants. Tua, Javonte Williams, Corey Davis, Aaron Donald, Marquise Brown, Kadarius Toney, Myles Garrett, Matt Judon. There's Justin Fields, Gridiron Kings. Caden just got that $10. Appreciate it. Kyle Pitts, Kyle Trask, Dante Johnson, Russell Wilson, Austin Eckler, and Jarrett Patterson for Washington, legacy rookie. Yep, saw that. Thank you, Caden. Appreciate it. So just remember the two teams that you bought, that's for the next break, not for this one. That's for the absolute break. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Chuba Hubbard, Devonta Smith, Jerry Jeudy, Chris Godwin, Laviska Shenault, Lamar Jackson, Daniel Jones, Khalil Herbert, Nico Collins, Javonte Williams, Chuba Hubbard, Pinnacle, Jason Witten, and Matt Stafford. And we got Kyle Pitts. That is the magnitude. Nice one for the Falcons. Matt Ryan, Derek Carr, David Montgomery, Trey Lance, A.J. Dillon, Terry McLaurin, Patty Mahomes, Cole Beasley, Ian Book. There's Zach Wilson, Rashad Bateman, Mac Jones, and that is a bronze. You get one bronze per pack. Those are exclusive to the Cellos. Josh Allen, Barry Sanders, and a Kadarius Toney playoff momentum. Zach Wilson, Cooper Kupp, J.J. Watt, Michael Thomas, Nick Chubb, Mac Jones, Brevin Jordan, Big Ben, Jalen Waddle, Patrick Surtain, Trey Lance, DeAndre Swift, Pinnacle A.J. Brown and Lamar Jackson, and we got Eli Mitchell score. It's chrome for the Niners. Jeffrey Simmons. Looks like we got Prism Black coming in the back here. Alvin Kamara, Joe Burrow, Miles Sanders, Austin Eckler, Najee Harris, Travis Etienne, Rashad Bateman, Michael Carter, Mac Jones, Najee Harris, Mike Gesicki, Pinnacle Randy Moss, Kurt Warner, and Rashad Bateman for the Ravens. Prism Black. Let's see. Ravens were one of the teams that went unsold. Who snagged them? Let's see. Mitch. Mitch grabbed the Ravens. DK Metcalf, Jonathan Taylor, A.J. Brown, Travis Kelce, Justin Jefferson, Jalen Waddle, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Mike Evans, Najee Harris, Kellen Mond, Davis Mills, Kyle Pitts, Dante Johnson, Tom Brady, and a Trevor Lawrence clear vision for the Jags. Looks like we got Dynagon in the back here. Christian McCaffrey, Jalen Hurts, Micah Parsons, Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, Calvin Ridley, Darren Waller, Baker Mayfield, Kadarius Toney, Trevor Lawrence, Travis Etienne, Tom Brady, Jonathan Taylor, Aaron Rodgers, and a Kyle Pitts Dynagon. A couple nice Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. Falcons were another unsold team. They went to Paul. No, I'm not in Arizona. I know it's an easy mistake to make. AZ is just our initials, Aaron and Zach. I'm actually out in Virginia, the East Coast. Cortland Sutton, Michael Carter, Matt Stafford, DeAndre Hopkins, Saquon, Kareem Hunt, Damian Harris, Aaron Rodgers, Chuba Hubbard, Kyle Pitts, Javonte Williams, Najee Harris, Travis Kelce, Brett Favre, and Patrick Surtain playoff momentum. Trevor Lawrence. Got another Prism Black coming. Cordero Patterson. Josh Jacobs. Darnell Mooney. Dak Prescott. Russell Wilson. Aaron Jones. Antonio Gibson. Tyreek Hill. Felipe Franks. Kyle Pitts. Dwayne Eskridge. Brandon Cooks. Dan the Man. Jamal Charles. And Rondell Moore. Prism Black for the Cardinals. And who picked up the Cardinals? Dylan picked up the Cardinals in this break. Another unsold team. All right, guys, this is the last pack in box number 1. Quentin Nelson, Kyler Murray, Joe Mixon, Mike Gesicki, Eli Mitchell, Brandon Cooks, Deontay Johnson, Josh Allen, Trey Lance, Felipe Franks, Ramondre Stevenson, Javonte Williams, Pinnacle Drew Bledsoe, and Darren Waller. And we got Jamar Chase, playoff momentum for the Bengals. All right, box number 1 is done. We got box number 2. DeAndre Hopkins, Marshawn Lattimore, Justin Fields, Michael Pittman, Adam Thielen, Dawson Knox, TJ Hawkinson, Chris Godwin, Kellen Mond, Travis Etienne, Kenny Nwangwu, Najee Harris, Joe Burrow, Tyreek Hill, and Jamin Davis, playoff momentum. Yeah, you're always hitting with the Bengals. Raptors, I know, it was tough the other night. Couldn't find Scotty Barnes for the life of us in that break. Except for that one insert. Tyler Lockett, Quentin Nelson, Kyler Murray, Joe Mixon, Brandon Cooks, Deontay Johnson, Josh Allen, Justin Herbert, Kyle Trask, Ian Book, Rashad Bateman, Matt Ryan, Jamal Charles, Dak Prescott, and Kyle Pitts. Flux, man, killing it with the Kyle Pitts. The absolute break is going to be at 11:45 Eastern Time, about 40 minutes from now. Yeah, what have we seen? Like one Devonta Smith so far? All right, got Dynagon coming. Kyler Murray, Joe Mixon, Mike Gesicki, DeAndre Swift, Deontay Johnson, Josh Allen, Justin Herbert, Dak Prescott, Felipe Franks, Zach Wilson, Ian Book, Traquan Smith, Pinnacle Devontae Adams, Dante Culpepper, And Kadarius Toney is going to be our Dynagon. A couple nice Tonys for the Giants. Steelers, Bears, Texans. I know we've seen Najee and Justin Fields. I don't think we've seen Davis Mills yet, have we? Quentin Nelson, Kyler Murray, Mike Gesicki, DeAndre Swift, Dak Prescott, Russell Wilson, Aaron Jones, Antonio Gibson, Zach Wilson, Michael Carter, Mac Jones. I've seen that luminance for Mac Jones a few times. Kadarius Toney, Justin Jefferson, Russell Wilson, and look at that, another Kyle Pitts magnitude. Kyle Pitts is all over these boxes. Tom Brady, Trevor Lawrence, Cordero Patterson, Josh Jacobs, Russell Wilson, Aaron Jones, Antonio Gibson, Tyreek Hill, Javonte Williams, Jamar Chase, Ramondre Stevenson, Jalen Waddle, Jason Witten, Matt Stafford, and Nico Collins for the Texans. Still no Davis Mills. Tom Brady, Trevor Lawrence, Cordero Patterson, Josh Jacobs, Tyreek Hill, DJ Moore, Keenan Allen, CeeDee Lamb, Najee Harris, Chuba Hubbard, Kyle Pitts, Derek Carr, Austin Eckler, Josh Allen, and Javonte Williams. That's a Chrome score update. Got Flux coming. Darnell Mooney, Deebo Samuel, Nico Collins, Traquan Smith, DJ Moore, CeeDee Lamb, Kirk Cousins, Marquise Brown, Dwayne Eskridge, Rondell Moore, Terrace Marshall Jr., Jamar Chase, A.J. Brown, Lamar Jackson, and a Flux Mac Jones. Mike Gesicki, DeAndre Swift, Tom Brady, Trevor Lawrence, Kirk Cousins, Marquise Brown, Kadarius Toney, Myles Garrett, Javonte Williams, Terrace Marshall Jr., Kadarius Toney, Trevor Lawrence, that's a bronze, Barry Sanders, Randy Moss, and a Kellen Mond Clear Vision. Jamar Chase, Tua, Javonte Williams, Corey Davis, Kadarius Toney, Myles Garrett, Matt Judon, A.J. Dillon, Pat Freiermuth, Anthony Schwartz, Sam Ellinger, Patrick Surtain, Deontay Johnson, Tom Brady, and Alvin Kamara, magnitude for the Saints. And we got Prism Black coming. Cordero Patterson, Josh Jacobs, Darnell Mooney, Deebo Samuel, Matt Judon, A.J. Dillon, Terry McLaurin, Patty Mahomes, Pat Freiermuth, Khalil Herbert, Nico Collins, David Montgomery, Kurt Warner, Travis Kelce, and Ian Book for the Saints, Prism Black. Not the greatest centering on that one. All right, guys, we got 2 packs left here. Aaron Donald, Matt Ryan, Derek Carr, David Montgomery, Terry McLaurin, Patty Mahomes, Cole Beasley, Austin Eckler, Rashad Bateman, Greg Rousseau, Mac Jones, Tua, Jonathan Taylor, Aaron Rodgers, and a Trevor Lawrence Chrome score for the Jags. And our last pack. Nico Collins, Traquan Smith, Jamar Chase, Tua, Cole Beasley, Austin Eckler, Najee Harris, Travis Etienne, Javonte Williams, Jalen Waddle, Patrick Surtain, Travis Etienne, Brett Favre, Devontae Adams, and Patrick Surtain, playoff momentum to finish it off. All right, that box is empty. Go through a quick recap here. Nothing super crazy tonight, but we did have some solid hits. We'll go through those here real quick. Again, we do have an absolute break coming up next in about 30 minutes. It's going to be one absolute cello box. And, of course, absolute, we're hunting for those Kaboom inserts, ultra rare Kaboom inserts. And then it's a pretty small checklist, too, so a good chance to hit all the top rookies in that box. So here we go. Trevor Lawrence score update. Ian Book, Prism Black. Alvin Kamara, Magnitude. Trevor Lawrence, Bronze Panini. Clear Vision, Kellen Mond. Mac Jones, Flux. Javonte Williams, Score. Kyle Pitts, Magnitude. Kadarius Toney, Dynagon. Kyle Pitts, Flux. Jamar Chase, Playoff Momentum. Rondell Moore, Prism Black. Kyle Pitts, Dynagon. Trevor Lawrence, Clear Vision. Rashad Bateman, Prism Black. Eli Mitchell, Score. Mac Jones, Bronze Luminance. Kyle Pitts, Magnitude. And a Kadarius Toney, Flux. I'll get the rest of this stuff sleeved up, top loaded, get it all packed up and mailed out to you guys tomorrow. I got a couple more of these this week. Also did a one-day auction for an Optic Prism 20 blaster box break. That's tomorrow night. 10 blasters of Prism, 10 blasters of Optic, 20 total. That one's going off tomorrow night. Should be a fun one. But yeah, rest of the week we got some more Chronicles, and I'll probably get some more Optic up this week as well. But thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. I'll be back in about 30 minutes to do some Absolute. Have a great rest of your evening.